Hello. Today I was fitting test fitting the oil pump and the oil spray bar. You can see the spray bar here and the oil pump, and that's all fine. I've opened up the oil pump. There's a little bit of wear, but I'll probably use it again. But what I thought I would show you is a common problem people have with getting this nut off. If you're stripping an engine down, then people have actually snapped the oil pump. It's only so it's only aluminium, the body of the oil pump, and this big nut here, it's 27mm hex head. If you go about it the wrong way, it's quite easy to snap the oil pump. Now, so there's your conventional, what most people would grab, your standard wrench, if you like. The problem with that, this is tight, is you're going to apply a bit of an uneven force. So if you're holding it and then you're standing to the side, you're more likely to break it due to the force being sort of one-sided. So what you actually want to do with this, try and get this off one hand. Just put the phone down there. Well, this will do as a demo. I can't actually find the T-bar. So what we want to do instead with this is it's a bit of an old school, you don't see them anymore, but what they call a sliding T-bar handle. So it looked like this, but I've just shoved a screwdriver. So what it means is you can hold both sides and you get an even amount of torque. The force is going to be more evenly spread, so there's going to be less chance as you undo that. Obviously with two hands, I'm holding the phone, but you're not going to be one-sided like you will with a normal wrench. And also, only attempt undoing this nut with the spray bar still attached and the oil pump still bolted down. It's going to hold it still enough. It's very easy to bend this tubing. If you undo these first and then try and undo that, you can twist this can twist. So yeah, although I'm actually obviously putting things together, I just thought I'd show that about removing the oil pump. Well, you can take the whole lot off in one go, but if you want to change just the pump or clean it out, you are going to have to remove that to get the spray bar off. I'll probably do another video, I think, of actually showing inside the oil pump. They're very easy to to open up. I'm going to take this off anyway, because what I think I'll do, this is quite fragile, so I can take this off, get the engine once it doesn't need to be on the stand anymore. The oil pump can go on last just before you put the sump on, because knowing my luck, I'd probably stumble and drop the engine or whatever, or slip, and you're going to instantly damage the pump and the spray bar. But anyway, that's a little video.